Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, today I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on some offers that Gaahleri are making in the Amazon Prime Day offer in the beginning of October here in the UK. I can't tell you about other countries because I don't have that information. There will be other offers in other territories. Please visit your local Amazon site to check those out. However, this is what's happening in the UK this autumn. Now, before we go any further, just a quick bit of transparency. I'm not being paid to do this. I'm not getting commission on any sales that derive from it. I'm just telling you my honest opinion based on the fact I've used all of these airbrushes. Okay, so let's have a look at the three offers that are being made in the UK this autumn. First is the daddy of them all, the Mobius 0.2mm Premium Series airbrush. This will be on offer at £66.99. That's 20% off, and that's from 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 in the evening, British summertime, on Monday, 7th October. This is my go-to airbrush for detailing, pre and post shading, and spraying on things like marking stencils or invasion stripes. Next is the Ideal Starter Airbrush, the GH80 39. This is on sale for just £29.99, over a third off retail, and that's from 8:05 in the morning to 8:05 in the evening on Tuesday, 8th of October. At £30, this is a steal for a good quality airbrush, perfect for the beginner, which comes with two sizes of nozzles and needles, which couldn't be easier to swap out. Finally, it's a big favourite if you've got a lot of area to cover, the GH80 68. It's on sale for £45.99, again about a third off retail, from 9:55 a.m. to 9:55 p.m. on Tuesday, 8th October. This trigger style airbrush is perfect for larger spray jobs as it's so comfortable for extended use. Things like priming and varnishing larger kits. It was really useful painting my 1/24th Spitfire PRU pink. Now, as these are Prime Day offers, you'll be a member of Amazon Prime to take advantage of them. So, of course, delivery is going to be free as well. And the products are backed by Gaahlerie's outstanding customer service. Pretty much, if there's anything wrong with your airbrush, they'll just replace it for free. End of story. So that's all there is from the Amazon UK Prime Day offers at Gaahleri. Hope you'll be able to pick up a bargain. Hope you enjoyed it and be able to come and visit me again on the channel soon. Take very good care. Thanks for watching and goodbye.